we'll go to page number 31. You'll have pencil and you will mark the lines, whichever lines I'll say. In time, Robinson Crusoe made a lot of money in Brazil. What Robinson Crusoe did? He made a lot of money in the Brazil. This he reinvested in other business. What he did? He reinvested the money. Whatever he earned, he reinvested the money in other businesses. One day Robinson Crusoe had to go to Africa for business. Now one day he has to go to Africa. For what? For business purpose. On the way there was another storm like the one of his first journey. Now on the way he had another storm like he had in his first journey. First journey he had in 19 years where he had storm. Okay, and the ship was wrecked. Ship got stuck. This time the storm was fiercer. The storm was fiercer. The storm was more harder. His ship was wrecked and Robinson Crusoe was washed to a lonely, uninhabited island. Okay, what happened? His ship again got stuck in the sand and he was washed to a lonely. Who was washed? Robinson Crusoe was washed to a lonely island, uninhabited. Uninhabited means that where no people live. Okay. Robinson Crusoe explored the island for signs of human life. Robinson Crusoe explored the island. The signs of human life. For the human life he explored. He went everywhere in the island and he explored everything, that where is water, where is not, where is home, where is not. He went everywhere in the island. With great difficulty, Robinson Crusoe built a home. Now in the lonely island, with great difficulty, with himself alone, he made his home. What did he do? He made his home. Okay, his expertise in farming helped him in this. So his expertise in farming, who were expert in farming, his friends, they helped him in making the house. They were not available, but they taught him how to make the home when he was a farmer. Okay. He started growing rice and barley. So Robinson Crusoe, for living he has to eat food. Okay. So what he did? He started growing rice and barley in his house. Robinson Crusoe tamed a few goats. What he did? He tamed. He was keeping few goats with himself for milk, from which he learned to make butter and cheese. So he kept how many goats? He kept a few goats with him for milk and for what? Butter and cheese. He learned to make butter and cheese by the milk of goat. Okay. 26 years passed in this lonely way for Robinson Crusoe. How many years passed? 26 years passed in that lonely island. With alone, Robinson Crusoe was present. He was all alone in the island. He craved for a company. He was hungry for a company. He wanted a company to talk, to tell his feelings, to enjoy. One day he saw footprints on the beach. One day what happened? He saw a footprints on the beach. Okay, in the island there was a beach. He saw a footprint of a man. Okay. Instead of being happy, Robinson Crusoe was scared. So, instead of being happy, Robinson Crusoe was scared. He was scared that who else is here? He will harm me or he will kill me. He was scared. Okay. as he had been alone all these years. Because he was all alone, so he was afraid that who is here, what he will do, he will harm me, he will kill me, what will he do? Okay. Robinson had made sharp weapons which he now carried around for self-defense. Robinson Crusoe was staying and he had made sharp weapons for killing that man who was entering the island. Okay, which he now carried around for self-defense. He was carrying the weapon for his self-defense, so that if someone attacks him, he will be able to attack him. Okay, you all are getting? He also had a gun which he had preserved. So he was having a gun also. Carried that too with him. So in the ship he was having the gun which he was carrying with himself for self-defense. Okay. For many days Robinson Crusoe saw nobody. What happened? For many days Robinson Crusoe saw nobody. He was not able to see anybody in the island.